Happens on my YouTube videos when they're too long.
Well, I got a phone call.
Oh. So shingles back in. Now we're going to check for creasing. As you can see, we have severe shingle creasing at the flexion point of where we had to lift the shingles up to get the fasteners back where they're supposed to. We didn't lift them any more than necessary. We were as careful as we can possibly be. And as a result of the repair, damage travels to undamaged shingles, so this fails repairability. There's no way to restore this roof back to pre-loss condition, so a full replacement is necessary on the shingle. This is a failure. We're going to circle for you. Creases, as if they aren't already evident. All right, so that concludes our repair.